Good afternoon everyone. In today's video of discrete mathematics, I am going to start unit 4, that is functions and relations. I have skipped unit 3rd till the time I have finished unit 2. Unit 1st and 2 have done. After that I have skipped unit 3rd and I am starting here unit 4, that is functions and relations. So first of all we will learn functions. So what is function? Here is a definition. Let A and B are two sets. Set you have learned in set theory in your childhood, in school or colleges. Set is a collection of elements. So let A and B are two sets. Then rule or correspondence which associates each element of A to a unique element of B is called function from set A to set B. It is a general element of set A is denoted by x if a general element of set A is denoted by x and set B is denoted by y. Then we say that y is a function of x. Okay, symbolically, if f is a function from set A to set B, then we write f colon A tends to B. Just remember, it is the representation of function f. F is a function f colon A tends to B. A is a set, B is also a set. So here we read as f is a function from A to B or f maps A to B. Now next topic in function. So function is a correspondence or mapping between two sets A and B, f colon A tends to B. This is representation of function. Now next topic, domain, range and domain of a function. Let's study the definition. Let an element y belongs to B. It is a sign of belongs to. Y belongs to B. B is a set. B correspond by an element. X belongs to A. Then y is called the image of X and is denoted by fx. Hence, here X is defined as the pre-image of 1. The set A is called the domain and set B is called the codomain of the function f. The set of all images of the set A is called the image set or range and is denoted by fa or fx colon x belongs to A. Now let's see by the let's understand by the diagram. Here set A has some elements, set B has some elements. So just remember, the elements of the first set are called domain. Elements of first set are called domain. Here it is written A is called the domain. Set A. Elements of set A is always called domain. So here the elements for domain are -2, -1, 0, 1, 2. Codomain. Elements of set B are always called codomain. Okay, as f is a function from A to B, so set A elements are always called domain, set B elements are always called codomain, and the elements which map from A to B are called range. So here we can see -2 is mapped with 4, -1 is mapped with 1, 0 is mapped with 0, 1 is mapped with 1, 2 is again mapped with 4. So the elements which are mapped in codomain are called range. So element will be 0, 1, 4. So in the figure we can say 0, 1, 4 are called range. So here we have also studied the definition. First set A is called domain, set B is called codomain, and the set which has image is called range. Set A, the elements of set A which has image in B. Okay, that B codomain elements which are mapped from A, set A are called range elements. So this is function, range and domain of a function, also codomain. There is no need to learn this definition, just understand this. Now next topic, types of function. It is an important topic, definitely it will ask in exam or internal also. I will give an exam. Types of function. Basically there are 4 functions: 1, 1, many 1, onto and into, and afterward we can combine 2 functions with each other, then it will become further 4. Afterwards 1, 1 into, 1, 1 onto, many 1 into, many 1 onto. So total there are 8 functions and basically there are 4 functions. Next 4 are combined with 2 functions each. So 1, 1, as its name says, 1, 1 means one element of set A is mapped with one element, single element of set B, it's called 1 1 function. Here is the definition. A function f from A to B, set A set to set B, that is f colon A tends to B is said to be 1 1, or just remember the name of 1 1 function, injective. 1 1 function is also called injective function. Just remember, if in exam or internal paper, if I give what is injective function, just remember it is 1 1 function. So it will be called 1 1 if distinct element of A, distinct means different element of A have distinct images in set B. Here in the diagram we can say A has single image in B, set B with 1, B is mapped with 2, C is mapped with 3. So single element of set A is mapped with single element of B, set B, it is 1. Next, many 1, as its name suggests, many to 1 means set A. Set A के many elements are mapped with one single element of set B, and then it is many 1 function. You can also study the definition and can understand by the diagram. A function f colon A tends to B is called many 1 if at least one element of codomain means कम से कम एक element ऐसा होना चाहिए. You can also map 2 3, it's your choice, but at least एक element. If at least one element of codomain B has 2 or more than 2 pre-images in domain A, means एक element को आप many 1 दिखा दीजिए. Means many elements of set A are mapped with single or one element of set B. Let's see the figure. Here set A and B, both elements are mapped with A1 in set B. So it is many 1. At least एक element दिखा दीजिए many 1. Other you can map also with many 1 or single 1 1. It's your choice. So many 1 is many elements of set A are mapped with single element of set B. Next, onto function. A function f colon A tends to B is called an onto function if there is no element of B which is not an image of some element of A. When will it become onto? It is a function f colon A tends to B is called onto function if there is no element of B, means B में कोई भी ऐसा एलिमेंट नहीं होना चाहिए which is not an image of some element of A, जो A से इमेज ना बना रहा, means all elements of set B must be covered. Just remember onto means B के सब एलिमेंट्स को कवर होना चाहिए by the set A. Set A में एलिमेंट्स बच जाए no problem, but B के सारे एलिमेंट्स को कवर करना है. This is the definition. There is no element of B which is not an image of element of A. So you will have to map B with in any way, either 1 1 or many 1, but they should be mapped. No single element of B must not be covered. कोई भी एलिमेंट ऐसा नहीं होना चाहिए जो कवर ना हो. That's onto. Here we can see 1 is mapped with 1, 2 is mapped with 2, 3 and 4 are mapped with 3. So B का कोई एलिमेंट ऐसा नहीं है जो ऐसे इमेज नहीं बनाना. That's onto function. Also remember the second name of onto function. You can see onto function is also called surjective. Correct the spelling, surjective, surjective. Okay, it is very important, surjective and injective. If in exam or internal paper I ask what is injective, what is surjective, so these are the answers. 1 1 function is injective function and onto function is surjective function. Next, into function, it is just opposite of onto. As onto says, no element must be there which doesn't have image from A. It is opposite, means at least one element of set B must be there which doesn't have any image from A. Let's see the definition. A function f colon A tends to B is called an into function if there is at least one. At least means कम से कम एक, ज़्यादा से ज़्यादा कितने भी, at least one element of set B which has no pre-image, just opposite of onto. No pre-image in the set A, means set B में आपको एक एलिमेंट ऐसा छोड़ना है, एक एलिमेंट ऐसा होना चाहिए जो A से इमेज ना बने. फॉर एग्जाम्पल लेट्स सी द फिगर 1 2 3 4 A B C D E. 1 is mapped with A, 2 is mapped with B, 3 is mapped with C, 4 is mapped with D. E is remaining. So at least एक एलिमेंट ऐसा दिखा रहे हैं, that's into. एक भी एलिमेंट ऐसा नहीं, that's onto function or surjective. So there are 4 basic functions: 1 1, many 1, into, onto. Next we can combine 1 1 into. Simple. no need to learn the definition. You can write it is the combination of one function and into function. क्या करना है, ड्रॉ कैसे करोगे आप, मीन्स सिंगल सिंगल मैपिंग प्लस एक बी में सेट बी में एटलीस्ट एक एलिमेंट जो ए से कवर ना हो. लेट्स सी द फिगर 13. यू कैन सी one single mapping and B में two elements are remaining which are not images in A. So both the concepts of one and into will be used here. one on two means single mapping and B में कोई भी element ऐसा नहीं होना चाहिए जो A से cover ना हो. So one on two is the combination of one function and on two function. Let's see the figure 14. Here A and B are single map, one mapping, and also B doesn't have any remaining element which doesn't make any image from it. So it is 1 on 2. So there is no need to learn definition. You can just write it is the combination. Many one into, you can write it is the combination of many one and into functions. Many one means at least set A में ऐसा element जो many one हो, many हो, और set B से one से combined हो, map हो, and into भी हो means set B में at least एक element ऐसा हो जो cover ना हो, एक से ज़्यादा भी बना सकते हैं. So here let's see the figure 15. Many one is also here and set B में two elements remaining. So it is many one into function. Last, many one onto function. You can also write it is the combination of many one and onto function. So many one means set A में at least एक element many one दिखा, तो एक से ज़्यादा भी दिखा सकते हो. That's your choice. And onto means set B का कोई भी element ऐसा नहीं हो जो remaining हो, A से image ना बने. Let's see figure 16. You can see here many one is also here and onto is कोई भी element remaining नहीं. So it is many one. So today I have discussed function, meaning, range, domain, codomain and types of functions. It is very important for numerical also. So you just don't have the need to learn functions and range and domain definition. Just understand the meaning of them and learn the types of functions, especially injective and surjective. Thanks for listening. Next I will discuss in other videos. Learn them.